Oh shit. I forgot to start YouTube. Is anybody in SQ off of that push right there?
Sure, this is not a friendly environment, especially the trading
Holy shit.
right as expiration.
Holy shit. All right, Microsoft's got that's enough for me to cut right there with the overall market bouncing back up. I'm not going to take a big loss or anything on that one, so I'm out of Microsoft easy. If you're in Rivian, that hedge is working. If you are in SQ, I'm looking, I might hop into this one, but really the target right now is 87.25. If you make it above 87.25, so if your entry was here, you're good. If you're trying to get it here, you might get smoked. So you need to either wait and wait for that build. But if you did get into SQ, it does look as if it's going to possibly give you an $89 test. It's $8 loss on Microsoft. Yeah, that's literally nothing. Scrape, not even. It was a gust of wind. Damn.
Like Tesla's building, but Tesla's building into supply. So Tesla can fade out here any minute if it wants to. Like this is the type of price action.
I'm watching Spot. I just had an alert go off on Spotify. Trying to break a downtrend here. Spotify. I very rarely trade this dumb thing, but 106.65. Keep your eyes peeled on that one. There's your target hit on SQ. So it looks like financials are moving a little bit stronger. They might have some volume. PayPal is holding an open divergence from Square.
Wow, dude, the Dow, holy crap, today is the day that the Dow decides to lead the market to the downside.
Look at this divergence. This is pretty interesting. Yeah, that was a good scalp if you took SQ. That was probably it, to be honest. I mean, I don't know if it's going to keep ripping off of this, but if it closes this candle with this good, it has good volume, a decent volume, excuse me. If it closes this candle above R2 and above 87.25, then R20, excuse me, I would think maybe you might get another leg up, maybe 91. But the first target above you is 89.18. So shit.
What time is it?
AMC. AMC just. I have a target on AMC of 1385.
Like, you see Tesla, you saw Tesla just faded out into that push into supply. It's everything that moves up, it's against supply. Everything that moves down has room to fall.
Yeah.
And Tesla's also hitting a TTM squeeze. Okay.
Just got out of SQ. Good. I love that you guys are taking your plays. That's how you get better at your craft.
Not seeing a trade is a win for me today.
Yeah. Don't let what other people are doing influence you. If you feel that it's not your time to trade, you're not your day to trade, don't trade. It's that simple.
Are we gonna hit margin calls?
I love Nvidia. I want Nvidia's gap down, but look at Spy. Yo, Spy's going to 450 cents, $400.50. But look at none of the overall market is falling in the same fashion.
The Dow is the one leading the drop. I'm pretty sure it's because TGT. Is TGT still setting off?
Maybe.
It's pretty fluid, yeah. My God.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's pretty much dead.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
if if you want to re-enter Microsoft, you can, but that would be below 261. And the target there is just too short. It would be 260.80. So if you want to re-enter here, you can. I'm not going to. I'm not digging this price action at all. I'm actually looking at the Qs, where I may end up scalping or taking a put on the Qs, but which I rarely ever do. But
Uh, it's
United,
it's fucking the dot drop. Yeah.
fuck, we're aggressively going to fill that
Didn't know, dude. United North is a top holdings of the Dow.
target Potter. It's dead. It's there's no volume there. And maybe you get more bleed, but I mean, you just dumped so hard. You're 214 all the way down to like the 160s. Yeah, that's probably not. Would you short that? You know, with a lot of money, I wouldn't short something like that. I am not in Microsoft. No, I just said if you wanted to, you know, it did engulf, so it's probably going to give you another move down. The Qs are moving to the downside here, but I personally, you know, but outside of the Qs right now, which the Qs look pretty good.
10 a.m. coming up, everything is pretty much making a few low indices wise. Amazon as well. Nvidia did not make a new high, right? Tesla did not make a new high, right? Everybody's with that. Meanwhile, the indices are pushing low. So let's see where 10 a.m. rule works. DJ, if gold gives that close, I'm gonna smart this thing.
Watching SQ for reentry too. This one's holding up pretty well. Nothing here yet, but I grabbed Facebook puts. How's that looking? It's at support. You guys know me, I don't short support. This one could easily V-shape in your face, 198.90, and probably send you back up to 201.70. So I'm actually waiting for a bounce now at this point, because we've aggressively gone to fill a gap to the downside. I don't know. That's just my thoughts. You know, if we keep falling today, I doubt we keep falling today. Point of control for SPY is $400.70, $400.50. We got to be patient, y'all. Please take a deep breath. Remember yesterday, the great movement. Remember the catalyst that came in during Powell's speech. And remember the painful trading that happened beforehand when we had no volume. So
But the option,
the market was just reacting to him, you know. It's nothing. All right, there you go. So on Facebook, you just closed below support, but now you need confirmation. You need to push below and give yourself a good solid close behind that or below that, excuse me. Kroger Gare Bear? Who told? Damn, I haven't heard that in a long time.
they're taking all of their names.
Gare Bear? I haven't heard that one in years. What are you talking about? Yeah, that's right. Atlas does. Okay, SQ's looking strong, y'all.
By the way, we put it
We booted him.
eyes.
He's gone. Kroger has no volume. Facebook needs to break and hold below its support. It's not. Everything's bouncing. SQ's looking good for a reentry right here. Probably a $90 strike or with the target of 89.85. The candle looks good here. You might get further consolidation, so you can wait. Let's see with 5 minute time frame. Yeah, no, that thing's about to do it. I wonder if SQ gets all the way to $94 today. What do you think, Manny?
I'm not watch that season.
Oh my God.
Just typically say the price. I can't believe it. No, it's not bad. I'm watching the Dow, dude. I'm trying to just take one trade.
All right, I just grabbed a 90 on SQ for this week. I'm just gonna try and I just grabbed it. Yeah, I just grabbed it. Honestly, Facebook looks good right now, guys. I'm about to grab a Facebook. Oh my God. Look at that engulfment candle bounce right off of support. Look at the gap fill to the upside, 201. The Qs are bouncing. The Qs need to get back up above 301, and then I'll take this. But this one's looking actually juicy for a reversal back up to resistance. So I will take Facebook. Spotify is pushing back up. Watch Spotify, that 106, 107 level here. $90 call this week. Am I altering my settings on volume profile? I have, yes, uh, off of what the original settings were, but a firm is divergent.
You went H
Oh my God. Dude, remember the squeeze? Remember I said it this morning? I wonder if they squeeze. Squeeze might have been squozing.
score, bro.
Where's this gap fill?
Oh,
201.
time this, bro. Holy crap.
I'm about to grab this 202.50 call for Facebook right now this week. I'm in one and the stop is at 198.25. It's an early entry. I will add above 199, or excuse me, above 200. This is a risky play, so if you're new, this is a scalp. I am scalping right now, so trying to get this bounce off support. I'm looking for this gap up there. Tesla is climbing. Yeah, we're building up okay. I have a 90 call on Square, and then I've got a uh, call on Facebook, but oof, don't do that. Bounce right here. Tight stop losses right now due to the lower volume. All right. Yeah, this market's volume and price action is poopy. Come on, Qs. If this candle closes on the Qs at 300 again, then yeesh. We need to see a pull bounce back up right here. 301.25. 301.25 on the Qs. 301.25.
Dude, Tesla carries the market.
Is that happening right now? Oh, look at that. I don't have Tesla breaking out until above 762.50 and obviously 765. Good entry on Facebook so far. If you're in Facebook, I'm holding through the 201.75 target. That's the target. There's trim targets at the gap start or $200, 201, excuse me. If you're trading this one with me, if you have size or if you're sizing in, then you're gonna want to obviously set targets like that. So. Tessie into the gap, 261.
Oh, finally took one trade.
Make a
Bounced
trade.
down.
Make a trade. I should be up around 11%. SQ's okay. It's just kind of lagging up there. I have hedges on Rivian. If you have your hedge on Rivian, hold it. Cut your weeklies if you need to, but I still have my hedge, okay? And that is there and until it's not needed. So that hedge is up 50%. So if you took that hedge with me, you're hopefully negating not all, but some of the pain that comes with taking a short position long. So And I could be wrong, but hopefully the hedge will allow me the space to be wrong. Come on, not off the hole. Moving my stop up right now on Facebook, 199.20. What happened to CVS? Place is awkward. What are you talking about? Every time I go in there, I feel like someone's gonna like spill all my deepest, darkest secrets or something. I don't know. It's very quiet. They got the mirrors up on the wall, looking down. So weird. Where do I live? In Georgia. That's why. What time frame for Facebook? Right now, I'm watching the three. Don't worry yourself with the three. But yeah, we're this is not fun. We could reverse here. We could. I'm gonna remain patient. We got 1 minute and 45 seconds. This is
I could have put this top and down.
shit. Look at that. The cues are right. Let's see. The cues need to hold that nine right there. The difficult trading conditions right now, but stay patient. All right, take a deep breath. If you're using good risk, you should not be watching your contracts. You should be watching the chart. I have yet to even look at it. They make peaches there. You know, it's funny. It's actually South Carolina that produces far more peaches on record than Georgia. Sorry to be Debbie Downer or any peach fans out there. Don't like that. All right, cues. Yeah, and if this moves down right here, y'all, your boy is out. I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle. Oh shit, the cue's down. Go, watch out. All right, weeklies. Go ahead and you can close out them if you want, real quick. All right, I closed out of one of them. On SQ. SQ's reentry bounce level. This one has lost all of its volume. It was holding up pretty good. Um, that's why there's a big peach in Gaffney. Yep. Yeah. The QQQs looks like it's gonna build this stupid wedge. I'm pretty sure. Q's about to go drop to 299.45, which is gonna bring Facebook. If okay, so Facebook right now, as the Q's drop, holds a divergence from the Q's, which is not. And you can cut it now. You'll cut Facebook for pretty much a minimal loss. But if it does, then you would want to watch for a direct divergence on Facebook. Because at the moment, I would argue that Facebook is still holding up rather well off of this bounce. So, took Facebook calls next week. Smart man, person. Sorry, I didn't mean to assume. Mike, you look like you could run through a drywall though. So, dude's like he's got big muscles. Definitely a chick. SQ is either holding up right now. If you're in weekly contracts, you can hold. I'm cutting a contract off of that one just because of the lack of volume here, the lack of everything. It just looks poopy. So, Facebook's okay. It's holding up as best as it can, I guess. This one, I'm a little. You can cut it if you want to, due to the fact that we have that potential rising wedge on Facebook. Yeah, that's my cut spot right there. So, all right, no harm, no foul.
We're just trying to cook some meat, so you guys are just trying to short his net worth.
Who? SQ's out too, yeah. I just again, I think if I'm gonna enter SQ, I might end up going next week. I think if you're still in SQ, 87.50 is probably the level in which you would reverse and move to the downside. If you're in Rivian right now, those contracts are up around 68%. Obviously, you should already be out of the downside plays. This is likely addable. So if you wanted to add maybe a $30 strike for next week, you can do that. I'm going to continue to play this one up and up until it fills that gap because there is a gap to fill, and I think that's what's happening right now. But also remember the lockup has expired, which brings my thoughts to they're going to probably pump this thing up so they can continue to dump. So when is the last time you had a red day? This week. This week I've had a two. Wait, not this week. Last week, I had two red days. They were minimal red. I recovered most of my losses. Yes, July puts are the ones that I said that I was going to continue to hold, and I will continue to hold and trade around them. So
Oh no, yeah, did you? Oh yeah, I know the trick. That was literally my TP. Yeah, where'd that level come from? That you haven't worked out. What time frame do you see the best at? I don't have that.
I'll signal a re-entry on Facebook if you want to get back in.
Oh, I see it, media. I
If
see
you're
it.
in SQ, you're still haven't moved below that stop. So again, 87.50. I just want to go. I just want to come back at power hour almost.
I have for a while, but I haven't raised the last couple of times.
Yeah.
Paper cut, Rolly, paper cut. That's just a paper cut.
All right. I like that. I like that bounce on Facebook. Make it bounce, Zuckerberg.
It's just big baby raised outside, dude.
Yeah. Difficult trading conditions, my friends. If you're long in Facebook, right? If you day trading's different, get in and out, but or scalping, excuse me. But if you have a longer expiration, then obviously holding through these type of moves is not as excruciating. So be patient. I think I'm waiting for Facebook to drop almost to like 197. But if it moves right here, $210, I'll go ahead and re-enter. Same strike, same target. Target will be 201.
Try to reject that level again that we talked about. Just I don't know if you were thinking of it, but be careful.
Thank you, Sarah.
Remember, sometimes rejections can turn to bills.
Pulling up the contracts now. All right, watch for Facebook. Remember, right here, 197.69. If we fall right here, that's actually dope because then we get a even better average to the downside. There's SQ. SQ's built up as a flag. If you're still holding SQ, this one has a target above it at 89.80 here, and obviously $90. If you're in Rivian and you added to Rivian, this one has the $29 target ahead. All right, Facebook, you got to do it.
Base is starting to decline, by the way. It's having a hard time clearing that 28 level. Watch obviously that 2750 and 27 level. If we start losing 27 hold, 2750 first and then 27 hold, then we're gonna off a market reversal.
Edge signaled on Rivian is up 91%, which, by the way, is definitely easing the pain for sure. So Nvidia, um, that is that one. Oh my god! Man, you go, that looks like a literal stock turd. Look at that thing. Imagine the scalp, like imagine that, Manny. Look at that. Oh my God. That is the worst. Do you see that chart on NVIDIA? Oh, oof. Manny left. It's gone. Luna has been requested. I don't think a chart's gonna save you now, guys. Thoughts on Tesla? Up against resistance, it tapped my downtrend perfectly. So I've got a downtrend right here. Perfect tap. Right now, just like NVIDIA, everything's kind of got that like, I'm just calling it a turd because it's just, this is what it looks like right now. It's just not great price action. I would actually set it up like this. So you've tapped resistance, right? You need to break it. But what also you need to be doing is watching for a rejection. So in this space, you could watch for Tesla back, excuse me, back below 750, which would then obviously lead you down to this 745 and then down to the 730s, which is where your support is. Okay, Facebook, little shit. No volume. ABML? ABML is good for, I'm long on ABML with Rolly. I have been. He told us it was going to be a long time. Like we're going to be holding for a long time. So I might like double down here. 120% on Rivian. I feel like this gap is going to get filled like expeditiously. I'll let you know if I enter anything, guys. I'm just waiting. Luna is on its way back to $1. Sounds great. Wasn't it at like 100 something? Mana has made 100. Yeah, I'm not much of a crypto guy. I need a guru. What are you talking about? Yeah, I talked to you for a solid 15 minutes before I realized you weren't there. Everybody heard it. Tell them, guys. I was messaging Sarah, because I think it was it last night, Sarah? I don't know. She's on vacation right now, and I was like, it's like in the morning, and I saw her thing. It said playing Fortnite. I was like, "Aren't you in vacation?" There's AMD breaking up past that level. Damn, strong break for the AMD. Okay, Facebook. All right, I'm about to hit Facebook. Come on. Okay. Say it again. XASD and go to the what is it? The global prime.
Yeah, and then just look at that chart. Stare at it.
Thinking about entering Facebook right now, guys, but just a little nervous with this price action. It's just not looking good.
Just look at today's range.
You have, damn, you have 31,000 shares of ABML. That's what's up, dude. You're basically like you're a whale. What do I think of this chart? You have a very obvious downtrend here.
Yeah, but it's not falling.
Yeah, but you're consolidating. That's why. So you probably got a test of 1816. I would say 1816.50. Um, why? Because you have to. And then you have so based on just the wave theory, right? We've got one, two. It's not even waves, all right? It's not even Elliott waves. It's just one, two, three, right? The one, two, threes. Wick off. um, 1816. If you move up, I think this thing's going to go down. Personally, I mean, just looking at the 15-minute wedgie here, Manny. That's one. No, Sarah's son was playing. Yeah, sorry. Oh my God, holy cannoli. Yo, that made me suffer. Oh, stop, dude. Your computer, burn it. Wait, what do you mean by that? You mean by holy cannoli? What do you mean by that? Make sure he doesn't place a trade on Tesla. I don't know. Maybe he might be a young genius. Yeah, don't take. Yeah, I don't take stock twits seriously. Look at this price action, my friends. Eyeballing Facebook, but not taking it. Seems to be paying off in my favor. So let's watch Facebook down 197.50. 197.50. SPY, rest of the gap coming in hot right here, $400.50. I think we bounce here. Logging off, no need to trade. Damn. Do I know what videos that is from? I don't think I've been on that side of the internet, but been some weird places on the internet, but not there. Would you buy more ABML? I buy little bits, like randomly. Got an extra chunk of change. All right, here's 50 bucks. That's the type of investment I'm making on this company, right? I like the information I've read. I like the analysis given, by one of our admins. And I actually, this is a different type of investing. I really believe that this company will have a role in the future, but that's a part of investing. There was 1,800 different car companies when Ford and the gang was out. Can you imagine back then? Everybody thought that their car, 1,800 different EVs, or even not EVs. That's basically where we're at right now. We got all these random EV companies that are going to fail and not exist in about 10. But 1,800 different car companies, and Chrysler and Ford and whatever the other one was, were the only ones to make it out. So if you invested in any one of those companies, he's my guy. Damn.
Yeah, I'm not out there. Take my 6% day.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Not to take care. It's not. It
It's all right, man. This is the days we have to have discipline, which is just sucks. Look at this chop, though. I'm bad about loading 1 to 3K at a time. Ugh. I mean, if you can afford that type of DCA, if it pays off, it's gonna pay off. But should be listed on the Nasdaq within 6 to 9 months. Yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Take a deep breath there. So that Rivian hedge that's up 100%, I grabbed just now. I grabbed a $30 call, and I have taken profit as of right now on Rivian on that hedge. And I have grabbed a call for this week that's a $30 strike. And that is what I'm going to hold for now as we navigate. Yes, I am playing Rivian up. And this is so kind of like ABML, right? I have a thesis, I have conviction, and I have a long expiration. I am more concerned about trading around the position than just worrying about it. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying to be a proactive trader, not a reactive. Well, I'm trying to be proactive about hedging, not waiting until things get out of control. So Rivian just keeps ripping to the upside, and I've yet to do anything about it. That would be just straight up waiting until the bad thing happens instead of just creating a plan so that you don't. I want to short Facebook bad. I would not short Facebook here at all. In fact, I would. I'm tempted to just walk away with a call, but this is the setup that I have right now. If you can, TikTok, you can't see. All right, there's Facebook right there. So to look at Facebook. I'm playing cap reversals. Yeah, be careful. So what I'm thinking here is, Rolly mentioned that we might see some trading towards the end of the day. I'm thinking Facebook down 197.50, possibly quick dump, shake people out, and then maybe even squeeze it up, and hit resistance. You'll notice that if you were to hit resistance, you're pretty much going to fill your gap. So I will. I'm going to set lots of alerts. $200.40, 50 cents. That range is where I'll probably start moving into position. But yes, yeah, that's exactly right. We're not trading ABML. We're investing in it. We're investing in it. There's a difference. There's a huge difference, and you can do both. In fact, I would say that most people don't buy stuff. Um, oh, what happened? Oh, someone sent something. Was I about to have to? Well, that's not bad. That's cool. That's hilarious. I already have roid rage. This is making it worse. Can I take a look at another look at Microsoft? Absolutely. Yeah. Whatever you want to have me look at. So it looks okay. 15-minute time frame. This one is leading down. Watch Facebook down. Watch Facebook down now. So this is the fourth tap of support. So there is the chance that we break. So I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket for a reversal, but I will be watching back up above 189.80. Once we lose it, that ceiling will become where I end up taking to the upside. My target has just been hit, which on Microsoft. So you've got a level right here, and it's 260.41. Right, it's about to touch it right there, kind of. If you lose that, you got 260 even. It's that simple. Tesla bear flag on the 5 minute. This is bearish. It's I wouldn't even really categorize it as a bear flag. It's not even coming off of like a true downtrend, but it has those characteristics. So yes, you could consider it that, but you need remember, it's a lower time frame pattern. 5 minute patterns like this are notorious for faking individuals out. So I'm not taking anything right now. Nothing has broken range, and nothing has given me indication. Microsoft did look good. I just don't want to trade through that. That right there. So let me like zoom in a lot. My monitors are too damn wide for TikTok. This is ridiculous. This is insane. Just to trade through, the expiration was good, but this is just not great. The video is short. I think you bounce at 260. NVIDIA has the same setup as Tesla, exactly the same setup, right? And the volume is good, okay. So you might see a move out of this one today, but again don't want to be putting any of my eggs in one basket. I would say 178.50, and then you have a very short range to 176.40, which would be your support there. But you also, if you take a step back, So this is what you got right now. So this appears like everything else to have this rising wedge. So Nvidia's short, below that 176. Yes, it looks good there. But SPY has now filled its gap. I got an LG monitors, LG 32-inch somethings. I don't know. They got some LCDs in there and some, I don't know, maybe a Retina display or whatever they say on the commercials. Who knows? Could be anything. I have no idea. I'm not a tech guy. I don't know. Can I look at Neo? Sure. I got a Facebook call premature execution. Um, I mean, so it's risky to hold for the bounce, but it's up to you on whether you feel that that's something that you could tolerate. I am anticipating one, two, and three. So I'm actually looking at maybe taking a call off of that and then looking to enter here, and then we could see a squeeze. So, all right, Neo. Most EV counterparts are moving to the upside right now. Looks like you've got a little top channel there. Beautiful. There's Neo. So channel up is 17 bucks. Channel down is 16.15. Out of Microsoft, 12% from entry with UG, done for the day. That was exhausting. Yeah, dude. I commend you for going through that. That was a okay play, but Adam just posted that chart on Apple, and I could throw up. If anybody tries to convince you that these are good trading conditions, just kick them in the ass. Just kidding. Watch this pullback here, 178.75. What call for Facebook? Good question. So the call that I'm going to be watching right off of that bounce is probably going to be the $200 strike. So, oh wow, oh wow. Okay, I totally forgot about that. Good cut on SQ. My favorite Furu says it's so easy to trade. Okay. I'm sure he does, yeah. Out of day trades, anything for next week? It's too early to say, man. You need more data. We need to see candle closes. We need to see daily candle closes. We need to see some fluidity here. So I think SQ is going for a retest, 85.50. Um, Yo, it tapped 89 on the dot. All right, so here's Facebook to the downside. You're moving down now, so I'm giving you all that target. 197.75. Oh, dude, you're good. I know that you're I know you're kidding, man. I'm not gonna ban you. What are you talking about? Oh, look at AMC target too. You might see this one fall soon. Go grab some coffee. Go grab a snack. Anxious at times, so I knew I needed a TP. Yeah, for sure. Thoughts on Spy? That's not Spy. That's Spy. So Spy is coming out of that falling wedge. It has filled its gap. Um, as far as I'm concerned, support is at 399. You're at $400, which is also support. So $400 and 399.60. If you lose that, then 398. Yeah, 398. So $200 call. So safe would be off the bounce. You could take a $200 call for next week. That would be the safe move, right? Um, and then at the break above, as you break out, then you could add a weekly. Yes, that would be a decent plan. But that's a plan that can only be executed if the trade works out. So we're going to need to see something like that. We're going to need to see some volume, but we are nearing, yeah, we are nearing obviously a support level. So, what are my thoughts on SoFi? Hmm. Didn't I mention this thing ripping to the upside like this weekend or something? Well, I think you got a 780 retest happening relatively soon. At least with the build that you got today. If you close this candle, 4 hour candle here in about 3 hours, then yeah, I would say so. Do you guys notice the slow decline? Yeah. If you have not traded today, if you have stuck with your plan, or if you have taken light entries, I absolutely you should be patting yourself on the back, um, because these are the days that discipline is 100% necessary. So swing strangles 2 weeks out in this market 100%. You got a megaphone. There it is. You just gotta, so remember, you move fastest when you get closest to the target. Like you'll see that impulses are meant to obviously get people to kind of jump in, and it'll happen oftentimes at key levels where they'll, because the most people think, all right, if it loses this level, but nobody lets a candle close. So anyway, Microsoft just hit that 260 and 259.85, which is the bottom of that little supply zone. So yeah, I think we bounce. That's my initial thoughts right now. Disney, disgusting. I feel like Joe Biden. So just this is this I feel like in movies, people imagine like beaches and when they have like shitty work and get, but like in this state, remember like a couple weeks ago, right? Just remember that those times will return again. But right now we're in the hardest part of trading. Your risk should be reduced. You should be upping your risk. Sorry, you do not want to um be putting too much risk skin in the game right now with all of the lack of conviction, the supports that we're sitting at, the resistances that we're retesting, as well as just the mass of indecision that happens during consolidation phases. So this too will pass. 200 Facebook call for this Friday. No, I will let you know when I enter. I'm actually going to walk to my kitchen really quickly. Um, and go grab my water. I'll be back. Be right back. All right. So you says yes. I mean, I'm not. That's what I'm doing, right, Peanuts? Because if the market doesn't know what it's doing, you're not. You're. We're not. That's the one thing. I was like, you have to like just at some point like, and I've accepted it, too. Like at some point, you just have to know that like you're not going to be able to guess the market every time. A lot of the times the setups are obvious. We're in a bear market. We're in a bull market. Whatever. But it doesn't. It's one of those things where when the market doesn't know, stop trying to guess. Let the market tell you. Trade the chart. So Disney is at support as well. So look at Disney off of this key support here. You could curl up and maybe give yourself a run to 108, which would be your downtrend. But that's the only thing I see there. Uh, Wells Fargo Institute cuts end of year 2022 GDP growth target to 1.5 from 2.2, keeps CPI inflation target at 7.7. I don't like that move. So this did not go to support. Instead, it bounced prematurely right here. So there's your setup. And I'm going to set alerts on this, y'all. The YouTube stream, I'm just going to leave it up. But there's nothing happening right now. So if you're forcing trades at the moment, um, if you're on TikTok, I'm probably gonna, if you guys want to move over to YouTube, the link's in the bio. I'm gonna go ahead and take this phone. Just gonna, the music makes me want to fall asleep. I try and keep it relaxing, stress free. I can't be listening to other people's problems while I'm trading. I got enough problems right now. Cost, the free YouTube? YouTube's free. All right, we got a little triangle here on Facebook. Ooh. Damn, Apple has been dumping. Oh my. Apple looks like it's heading down to 144. The next level for Rivian is $30. The ribbon indicator. Oh my God. Yo, we called that. I gotta start taking more long swings. I called Costco from a mile away. Wow. Wow, 440. 440. You lost 470 with a quickness. I think you might be looking at, either if you dump any further, you've got 436. That's all I got for you. All right, so no test of resistance on Facebook. So watch for this one. If it does end up moving down here, watch it at 197.65. How can people invest in Rivian? So right now, I believe that what you're seeing is partially a bit of a squeeze action. There is probably a lot of covering action happening right now. There was a lot of people piled into shorts. The lockup has expired, and I believe that they are in fact, the gap has just been filled. I'm sorry, I didn't even see that. There's another gap at $33, but supply is at 29.85 and $30 even. So I'm going to continue to hold just in case. Where I might add at 29.20. SPY is bouncing off of the gap fill, and Facebook is running up to resistance. Facebook right here, $200. The volume is rising, but still low. So it would have to be this 201 move. All right, hold on one second. I'm not taking anything. I'm just telling you guys what I'm watching. It would have to be above this 210, 205. So I'll cut the Rivian call below 28.25. Sorry. Um, it's up against downtrend, Kenneth. So 147.25, and you could see a 155 retest, 154. Facebook volume is rising. 202 or 200s are the contracts that I'm looking at. 205s are okay for smaller accounts. All right, we're breaking trend. 50-day EMA right there. All right. Market tastes like hot dog water. Facts. All right, I'm pulling up the contract now. No, I just don't trade those kind of stocks. I didn't have a plan for that. I don't trade pennies. I don't switch up my strategies and stuff like that. So looks good though. I'm glad you caught it, man. SQ is curling back up. Nothing yet, everybody. Nothing yet. Uh, Are you using 11 type of indicators? No, I'm not. Not. But I am using this finger to do that. How about that? What was the PT on Facebook if it moves to the upside? Around 201.75. Right now you're rejecting. So you just saw a big rejection off of that. It's got 10 seconds left. Let's look at the 5. Okay. Nasty. Look at that patience. Staying patient. Spot never broke. Rivian is pumping. We played Rivian to the upside for with a hedge for over 100%. So I'm just hedging the play that I'm taking. I'm waiting for this thing to gap down overnight off of the next article. So it's approaching supply 29.85. I still have a $30 call. Thoughts on Roblox? I don't know. Looks like he might end up going down to support again. Yeah. If you don't break above 34.45, Roblox will probably end up going down. You got a gap to fill at 28.50. It's losing that strength right now. Faith. Yeah, so choppy. But who's sitting on cash right now? Who's sitting on cash right now? Just period. Good. That's good. All right, if you're out long or in cash, that's the way to be right now. I have a Rivian call, and that's about it. I'd like to know what the hell's going on with Spotify though, you know? What are you gonna do? Shit. It's 10:50, almost 11 o'clock. Yeah. Staying cash is staying safe in conditions like this. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna set an alert on the volume moving average. Look at that. Now I have a alarm or alert set for the volume. And can I look at AAL? Yeah, let's look at your guys' stocks because not shit's moving. 5 minute time frame. AAL has established a channel here, obviously, right there, which means that you're approaching support. Below 1755, you've got a major level at 1740, 1745. But if you lose that, then I would say you got a 1715 move to the downside. On the higher time frame, you were up against a downtrend. How I had that charted already, I don't know. Probably from some time long ago. Um, but yeah, I mean, this looks good for a potential put. I would say that a return back down to 1705 would be a possible move here. But at this, in the same breath, you know, we could see another retest of 18 bucks. But right now the market is trending down. I'm not seeing much move or reason for it to trend back up at the moment. So, what do I think about Apple? Looks like a big ass bear flag to me personally, but here's the top. This is definitely the resistance. And I think what may be happening right now is we're heading to find support. I'm gonna zoom into the hourly here, see if I can't see something a little bit more definitive. So I think we're going to find support. That's my thoughts on this right now. Is that we're probably building. Um, got plenty of rejections off the top here, um, and I would say Apple below 144. I would be certain of a move to 142.70 on the dot. So I'm actually going to set an alert at 144.50. And I'm going to set an alert at 144.30. So how many days of the year are like this? I would say that there's sometimes solid months, right? So if you get look at it this way, a lot of professional traders are sitting on the sidelines, not even showing up because for them, right, a week missed. Uh, if you're using the stock market correctly, right, you can make substantial gains. So that way, maybe you don't have to trade. And that's the one thing is everybody shows up, and that's the problem. Is sometimes you just don't. It's a borderline addiction for a lot of people when they get started, and you have to kind of treat it like so. You got to put restrictions on yourself and be like, all right, nope, that's what the rules are for. Like, if you don't have rules, you don't have anything. So. Anyway, I personally, I don't think we've quite found where our support is, but all of these we could be channeling, right? So this channel would like us, it would give us a confluence here. So definitely, a downside play available back to 142. This gap fills and you bounce, then perhaps this is your little bear flag here. So, but we will see. Coles, what is Coles ticker again? KSS. Oh my. You are at the bottom of very bottom of supply, which is 44 bucks. And you're having a hard time hanging on to it. The body candle closed, or it hasn't closed yet, but the daily candle is holding above 43.85, which tells me that that's probably the point in which Kohl's falls below. More than likely, you're going to see a beaten down a stock moving lower past this. But in the same breath, you got a big ass gap above you, so it's definitely probable to see a bounce if you can hold back up. And I would say getting back above 44.50 would be preferred. So if you lose this level, you've got a level of 42.80 and $41 below you. Doji right now being made. What's the most recent month that you remember trading was the best? Last month. April was great. Um, yeah, I there was a couple of days that were not as great, but I would say that there hasn't really been a lack of catalyst, and I think now, I mean, you really are having like almost like a mass sense of like wondering. People are like, I mean, the question I always get is, "Are we going to crash?" I pay attention to what people ask me, and it actually, you got to think I have. I mean, sometimes 300 to 400 people in the TikTok, 100 plus, or 50 plus on YouTube, Discord. So obviously Discord, those are people who are taking that next step. But a lot of the newer people, coming in are asking questions on TikTok, and it's the same thing. It's is this a crash? Are we crashing? But SQ is moving. That's one stock that's just had the bricks beaten off of it. Damn, yeah, it is. Look at that shit. I hate that thing sometimes. Look at this crazy little channel it's got. I just spotted it. Boom. All right, Facebook, what are you doing? Can you imagine trying to take positions right here? Like we tried, but you imagine just keep trying. Ugh. There's SQ. Watch that top resistance. Apple at support. Is this where we bounce? Do we get our bounce? Oh yeah. That's a hard fall for today, y'all. Is that it? Do we fucking squeeze up to the top? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Watch above 146 on Apple. Facebook is crazy, man. This is a descending triangle, which is likely going to bring us down, right? But don't ignore the fact that this established a resistance. This is not a test. One, two, watch Facebook down, right? Hit support. That's 197.60. Hit support, and then you do have the possibility to, because that's the second bounce, you do have the possibility to curl up and head out from there, which would give you 201.50. But anyway, there's a lot of people, a lot of traders who will wait for a weekly candle, or if there's a like imagine like you have a weekly doji. Those are real. They happen and they're excruciating to trade. So people who are, understanding of price action and, just sentiment period, can have the self-control and discipline to just not trade, because at some point it's just risky being in that environment. And I think one thing that's helpful is being real with yourself about where you're at in your journey. Are you still learning? We're always learning, but are you still like learning some of those fundamentals? Are you still getting a grasp on your own trading style? Have you been doing this for less than 6 months? Then like, those pressures that you're, putting on yourself to try and execute during a time when pros are sitting on the sideline, that's just foolish. There's no lesson there except for don't trade, have that same discipline. Oh, awesome. Mount St. Helens erupted the same day, on May 18th. This is the first day of my trading career. This is the first, and you know what? This is a great day. Still being Potter trade. Yo, that's one of my favorite comments I've ever. Oh my god, I gotta tag Manny in that. That's too funny. All right, there goes Facebook. Scalpers can be scalping, there's a move there, but sitting. Can you move my phone a little bit to the left? Yeah. Huh. I just aligned my two YouTubes, the one on my TV and the 4/4 beat, and so they're playing together. Sounds pretty cool. Okay, now it doesn't. Yeah, it's boring. You know why people can't leave? It's FOMO. Fear of missing out. They fear that they're going to miss the biggest move of their history, or like of like while they're gone, uh, a market shattering move is going to happen, and they're going to miss it. And the probability of that happening is low too. This is boring. It's super boring. What? Wait, it is no. I don't think so. All right, you're on a journey to find your support level for. Oh yeah, wait, what? No. Wait, Tesla has been excluded from the latest S&P reshuffle despite being worth. This came out. Oh no. It was removed from the S&P ESG index, which gauges the performance of securities meeting sustainable standards, has seen its annual rebalancing this month. Even though the S&P follows only major companies, some companies are ahead of their competitors, while rebalancing results in the removal of some components while new companies were added to the index. Elon. Yeah. Cites concerns, including Tesla's handling and investigation of crashes in autopilot. Okay. Is this what the market does for my birthday, man? I don't really celebrate my birthday, but or like do much, but it would be nice if the market could do something cool, like a backflip. I don't want to do a backflip. I want it to do a backflip. Watch out for Spotify to hit the dumpy if this one falls below 105.50. So, how was the market last year on my birthday? I think I had a great day. I don't know what. I'd have to go look, but the number $4,400 comes up in my brain. Pretty sure I traded. I think I was trading Apple. I had a good day on Apple, but I'd have to go back and look. I'll send you some New Balances for my for my 30th birthday. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I gotta go look at that. Your B-Day making it boring. I know. Self-centered. I got hit by a car the day after my birthday when I was 7. Sorry, that was random. It does have a gap. It does have a little micro gap. I don't know, man, if that falls that hard. You gotta lose 144.24. I was laughing yesterday when your car interfered with your trading. I have been hit by vehicles more times than most of the humans that I've ever met in my life. Oh yeah, my cat was driving me nuts, dude, yesterday. If I knew you personally, I think I'd walk a block away from you. Why? I would block the car for you. Imagine there's a car and you're just not there. So, how did you make your alerts that loud? I don't know. It just that's how TradingView does my alerts. Facebook, if you're scalping or moving anything on Facebook, watch this 175.55, 170, 197.55. Use your numbers, Garrett. Will SQ retest? I think things are getting faded right now, everybody. Go look at the daily downtrend on SQ. SQ, she's short below 85 for me, and really you need to see a break. Just wait, just be patient. Right now, SPY looks like 398.50, which is the target that I gave you guys. That's what we're falling for right now. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, Barnold, go ahead and get ready to cut Rivian's hedge. I'm getting ready to do it myself. Nice. Okay, good stuff. One thing too, and you know, this I have met individuals who unfortunately have started their journey during a good time in the market, made money, and then they moved into market times like this and they quit. Literally, I'll never forget the guy who told me that there's no money to be made in the stock market, investing or elsewhere. And I was like, what? Like, you can't put yourself into a shitty situation where the market doesn't have volume and then you're firing a million miles a minute trying to, figure out what's going to happen next. You're exhausting yourself. mental energy is expended where you could have just waited for the consolidation to end, and waited for a higher probability move, and that again takes discipline. And one thing that I could say is maybe not that great, is that I show up every day. Don't take, I mean, I show up every day, but I have liquidity, right? Or I can jump in and out. I could scalp if I needed to. So if I really don't see anything, and I see something like a quick opportunity to scalp, that may be where I step in. I'm not in the mood to be scalping right now with the price action and volume as low as it is. But don't judge yourself. Don't take judgment from a situation where even the most talented traders are on the sidelines. The ones that actually know what they're doing. So, am I out of Microsoft puts? If you held Microsoft, which I definitely could have done, you're banking. So you got a 258.85 target. Are you out of Microsoft? It's algo trading for the second gap fill, then we run up. What gap do you see on SPY? I don't see a gap. SPY has a gap way down there. Like that's a market crash. If we dumped all the way through SPY's gap today, that would borderline cause a halt. That's a lot to lose in one day. You're still in Microsoft? All right. I mean, this was a target that I had. Take profits are there. I'm sure you're up well. Trading view alerts are so loud. Yeah, they are. Who dat? When's the last time you because I'm falling asleep? I might need to change the music. um so it's not you, all right? It's not you, it's me. It's the market. It's not you, all right? That's what you gotta. It's you're not broken. You're trading a certain way that works during a certain time, and right now it's not that time. So you either learn how to adjust, cut down your risk, right? You made a bag, take that account and go back to the beginning. I'm telling you guys, you do it or let the market do it. So you do it yourself if you know where you're at in your journey and you're willing to be honest with yourself, and you know that maybe you got a little bit lucky or you've been on a streak. If you start to feel that way where it keeps again and again and don't wait for the market to do it. You do it. You take that money and put it somewhere safe. Don't give it back. Take something like 500, take a day off, and grit your teeth and go back at it. It's that's the only way that I've been able to stop myself from consistently blowing my account, which then would have hindered my journey because I would have never got over the emotional factor. I would have just kept blowing my account, would have given up. But instead, I was like, no, it's my account. I'm gonna take my money first. It's mine. Stop. So like it was just a simple discipline implementing a new level of discipline, where I was able to. Should I exercise it in the money option? Do you want to? I don't know. That's a lot of cash. Depends on the stock. All right. Anybody in Facebook? I'm just watching whatever. If you're in something, you can let me know. Right now, as far as SPY is concerned, which it's kind of a bummer, but damn. Now we're really, really fading out right now. Watch for 397.65. If you're in Apple puts from yesterday, then you're just absolutely pouring cash right now. Great job on Microsoft. A little bit of FOMO on that one. I had it in the money wish call exercise right before it had a terrible earning. No, my God. If you have entered something, you're trading something right now, you can let me know and I'll just take a look at it. But Jazambo, how many did you have? Best call you made all day was before the bell to cut our calls. I cut, dude. It was in like, it was the gut. I'm telling you, I felt it. I knew something was coming. I just couldn't put my thumb on it. Like hell no. Yeah, how many contracts of Apple did you have? When would you exercise an in the money option? I'm up 306. I don't really exercise a whole lot of options. Are you in a call? Are you trying you want those shares? You can exercise it whenever you want. Um Obviously for what it's worth, but you need to be careful. Target hit on Facebook. Look at the bounce. Immediately. Algos. So here's what's going to happen. All right, let me explain something, Jazambo. Wow, that bounce on Facebook. Holy shit. Damn, that's sick. So let me explain something really quick before this goes apeshit. When you're new, when you have a small account, focusing on something that you can take size on is better than taking something that you cannot. So if Apple is the gateway for you to take 3 or 4 contracts and still stay within your risk, or if it's Coke, or if it's American Airlines, Macy's, whatever the case may be, Microsoft still has really good premiums. Holy shit, dude. I called a good play and then dipped. Um, but cutting Apple now, awesome. Yeah, proud of you guys. That's super dope. Microsoft, if I had Microsoft, I would be out now. Now or at 158 even. So don't let your greed get a hold of you. If anybody did hold those out Microsoft puts, that price action was just too much for me this morning. So Nvidia. Oh damn. This one has that rising wedge that I talked about. Yes, 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 yes on Nvidia. Let's see. Hold on. I'm not taking it, but this one does have a gap. Absolutely. Nvidia below 175.50 on the money. Damn, it's moving quick. If that's the 172, so 170s could be good. Oh shit. Okay, we're moving. No, 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 no. There we go. Let the candle close. You got it just slammed into that point of control. Huge. Look. Look where we're at. Right there. All right. I feel like sometimes my brokerage knows that I'm trying to get into something and they really try to make my life hard. There it is, 175.50. Looking at 172.50s or 170s. There it is. All right, let's let it do its thing. Who dat? Listen, that is incredibly wise of you. And that's a really good decision. I think that's just the reality of some things. Is that you're all right? I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 170s. Hold on. I might need to just no. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. I gotta give it a time. I gotta give it a second. I gotta be patient here. Hold on. Hold on. I got him up. Thank you for those diagonals, Astro. Astro, do you wanna? Are you busy tonight? All right, that's enough for me. I'm gonna go ahead and get. Oh fuck. Oh no, I did it. There it is. Perfect. Is it too late to get an apple put now? Yes, everything has already fallen hard. And if everybody's aiming to the downside and they squeeze this out, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a pain. It's just like Facebook. Facebook has yet to break out of this thing, which makes me feel like maybe then it back up, you know? Apple and stuff like that has fallen, but yeah, the Qs, look at the divergence. There's a huge divergence between the Qs and everything else. Look at SMH. Oh my God. There's NVIDIA. Perfect. All right. Those filled. I filled 170, 170, 250. So I did 250. I just hit the trigger right now. I almost just want to like run to the bathroom right now and hit the bathroom index. Yes, but stay light here, guys, because I'm telling you that we're treading on thin ice right now on NVIDIA. NVIDIA trying to go for a little bit of gap fill action here. Yeah, I'm not feeling great about it. We need to get some SMH action. SMH is at support. SMH is at 233.60. And we just got a tremendous leg down. So either we start to consolidate Tesla, I'll look at it. All right, I'm getting him start. Should I? You can. So 1 minute left on if Nvidia closes and pushes back up above 176.30, then maybe a bounce is what ends up happening from here. But at that point, I'm probably going to just remove myself from the trading day because again, these are just not. Again, stocks are holding open divergences from their ETFs, so we are not seeing the same, if except for Microsoft and Apple and stuff like that. You're not seeing a continuation, and that's what I'm looking for right now. So trading on supports that are breaking, that stuff can be difficult, and especially with the price action that we have. So Apple alert. Damn. Damn. Well, hopefully we keep going down. NVIDIA's higher time frame setup is what I'm banking on. So I'm not looking at this 3 minute setup, but I am looking at this shit. I am looking at this. So right here, kind of like this open channel. And what I'm worried about at the moment, as far as reversals are concerned, is that they squeeze people out and then send this back up for an end of the day like rip or something crazy because we can. This is 1, 2, 3, and so I need to see Nvidia, and I will say that this is probably an early entry, but I need to see Nvidia close some type of higher time frame candle below 174, like 70 would be great, just to give us confirmation. This bottom trend line here is what we need to hold below. We have to. So, and if we do, if we close below it, we've got a great entry. But if we pop back above it, especially that 176 level, and we candle close there, that's a warning sign. And I'm not gonna take. Nice, Jared. Awesome. How do you know when to buy calls on Apple? When it hits a key support and shows me good bounce, you can watch the tape. All right, there's Nvidia. 10% on Nvidia. God damn, this is stressful today. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm stressed out. It's just choppy, hard to take positions with just great confidence. All right, there it is. That was like dipping into a hot tub. Cut what? What did I cut? Oh, you said that a minute ago. No, I haven't cut anything. Target could be 172 on Nvidia. 172. Apple is absolutely the dumping. Holy hell. We gotta hit support soon. There's gotta be something here. Sheesh. That's nice. That's nice. Thank you, Nvidia. Oh, Facebook. Yuck. Look at that. Dead. It's dead. Going to 195. %16 on Nvidia. All right, let's keep going. Come on. Take me to the promised land. Possibilities here. Retest. That's supply. That's 179.40. See y'all at power hour. All right, Barnard. There it is. Going into the gap. So multiples. If you have multiples, you can trim. Or I'm banking on 172.65. The market is dumping big. It is hitting the dumpo. You imagine SPY fills the entire gap today? Can you imagine? You guys remember the inverse head and shoulders that I was just paranoid about? This is why. You know what told me to cut, you know how like people have like the angel and the devil on their shoulder? I got a bull and a bear. And the little bull, a bear, was like, yeah, this is a terrible idea, dude. All right, if you just trimmed a little bit out in the video, we're bouncing a little bit. Not enough for anything to obviously. We just opened up a new 15-minute candle. We could see a little retest. I hope we don't go and retest like 175, but. All right, we just hit support for Facebook as well. Facebook below 195.50, 195 even, and you've got another leg down to 193. So yes, we can bounce. So if you're in weeklies, you can trim or take a contract off the table, whatever you got to do. Good trade though. If you took it right there, you still got a decent return. That's about 15%. On weeklies, depending on if you got the 172.50s or if you got the 170s. So yeah, you could have held that original Facebook put this morning, but it was also would have been just ripped to shreds back and forth. So I don't know. The volume is pretty high on that bounce. I never got Facebook's call. Matterport. That one looks like it might have double topped there. Yeah, you got like a double top setup right there at 560. Y'all, the 9-day moving average on NVIDIA is all the way at 175.39. So this could just be a simple retest. Above that, you're gonna probably want to go ahead and get out. Ethereum to 1K, dude. I have no idea, man. I'm not looking at crypto stocks right now, or crypto stocks. That's funny. Oh my god, AMD got bent over. That's it's just a straight up rounded top. I see no strength on this bounce. So how do I know whether this bounce is going to be? There's no strength. Nothing. We're not moving quite yet. And I bet you, if I go to the bathroom right now, no, just kidding. Oh yeah, the volume right now is actually pretty high. So. Ooh, what is that? Here's the look. Oh yeah. I posted that last night before I went to bed. My good. All right, delivers commitment. God forbid that happens. That would be terrible. Terrible. No, it's not good. It's not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Don't bounce like that. Now you're picking up volume. Nope. Chill out. Nine-day moving average is at 176.65. Let's go look at let's go see if we got any flow stepping in. You can roll your positions out if you want. Whatever you got to do. Bot request. 192.50 put for Facebook bad. Oh my god. I would give yourself time. If you're looking at a long, put right now, Facebook from here, this is the inverse cup and handle. So, 185s for 2 weeks out, or yes, I mean, I would say a 193.50 is the nearest target to you right now. So, but remember, shorter expirations. Question is it buying shorts? I'm going with shorts. I'm thinking shorties. So that is the inverse cup and handle, man. Listen to your gut, y'all. For real, listen to your gut. Isn't that where most of the serotonin production happens or something like that? Most of our serotonin is produced in the gut by special cells called enterochromaffin, or EC cells. Yeah, that's right. God damn, dude. Just go down. Gosh dang. All right, I'm gonna go do a lap. What do we got? NVIDIA 175, sell 175, call sweep. Nice. That's dope. NVIDIA 177.50 put. Yeah, but that's in the money. What caused this? Pal talking about pain, talking dirty, saying weird stuff. I really hope we don't get a violent retest, but 175.15. You guys should still be green on any runners that you have. I'm still green, so just clenching. All right. Yeah, come back at Power Hour. Better movement. Yeah, just wait. Don't let these moves get you. Got a big dump today. I see NVIDIA at 172 today, so still green. Doing a good job, dude. Oh, thanks, man. Trying to do a good job. Trying not to get faded here. Heavy call for SPY coming in. That's might be bounce plays. Hold on. Golden sweeps. We've got a XLE put that just came in. Silver sweeps. Apple calls. We got 170 puts. High probability on that one. Right here. So we do have some more put flow coming in. Stay on your toes. $15 candle. All right, 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. That's going to be a reversal possible off of this. If you guys are in, you're down 2%. You're down 2%. Don't panic. Take a deep breath. We're cool. We got a retest. We knew this was coming. Now we want to see a rejection at this retest level. Those are weak candles on the 3-minute. That could be considered a bear flag. So stay cool. If it goes the wrong way, we're going to cut it and it will be a minimal loss. And we'll come back at power hour and we'll do it again. 177.88 is the only other retest level that I'll allot, but I think I'll cut right here above this. I'd like to see a red candle here, right here, coming in golf. That's what I would like to see. That would show me that sellers are still present here. I do not use leverage though. Do you see a massive spike and it drops again to its previous aftermarket? Why do you see a massive spike and it drops again to its previous level? It's reacting to probably the news and stuff like that. Rod Stringer, if you're watching on YouTube, shoot me a DM. Do you know you have more? Yeah, you have more nerve endings in your gut. If you don't believe me, yeah. That's a good one. Yeah, no, I mean, that's why I was just mentioning. You know, I felt we were going to take calls. I was in SQ calls, and which SQ might have worked. The gap down would have depleted most. We were going to got crushed, but yeah, I just something. It was just the price action. It was what the setup was. Just didn't feel it. Look at that. There we go. That's a good start there, NVIDIA. We want to get down here. Let's get to 174.30, 174.32. I'm not watching Facebook, so I'm just going to watch NVIDIA. All right, and if you're in, you are back up. You're up 6% if you're in 170s. Oh, thank you, BT. I appreciate that, man. I forgot it was my birthday. Somebody in Discord said happy birthday, reminded me. Right now, nothing. It hasn't switched. Almost down to 142. Yeah, it's getting close. That's what the fuck. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh. Happy birthday, Dad. You know, I might need to change. I might need to change my Twitter bio where it says "Not your dad." All right, look at that. Patience. Even though this still cannot play out in our favor, so far so good. We're reading, reacting. We like what we see so far. We're getting a little bounce off of that level, 172.25, 174.25, like I said. But I want to go ahead and move to the downside from here. This would be great. Very good. That's nice. Keep doing what you're doing. If you're in with me, you're I didn't mean to say 30%, sorry. You're up around 10% on those 170s. 170 250s up a little bit more. Come on, give us the rejection. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I just almost typed short. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, yo, this is breaking out of that setup. You got a gap to fill on Tesla 724.85. That's gonna be a good add below 728, 729, excuse me. 725 is big level. Come on, short it here. Dim. No, I'm kidding. I'm just joking. Somebody. um, if any of you are out in the LA area, I'm thinking in the middle of June, late June. I might be out in that area for about a week. So, not just if you're around, I might just find a spot, or if you know of one. But might meet up with some people to do some trading if you guys are interested. So. When are we snagging the video calls? Don't talk about that right now. Oh, come on, damn it. I had a feeling that's what I was seeing. Okay. Bear flag on the 15? No, not. It doesn't have enough candles. We need this candle to stay red. We need this candle to stay down. Stay down, motherfucker. Done till power hour. Good stuff. I might trim some exposure off of these calls if we don't make a move here in the next few minutes. Can you go over Facebook real quick? When to cut? I entered after you alerted support. Yeah. Give me 1 second. You took calls, I'm assuming, because I didn't take anything due to the fact that we didn't get a bounce. There was nothing there. So right now you're going for a retest, like most stocks seem to be, of the supports that they broke. So with Facebook, I would say that if here might be a good spot to cut, or if you can get back up to 197.19, which prefer that the market not go any further up, but is it okay to buy some big tech or Facebook or Amazon too soon? I'll just tell you what I'm doing. I'm not I'm not buying these companies yet. I feel like there is still more downside, and I feel like my time to buy has not come yet. There are companies that I'd love to see a little bit lower before I begin a DCA process. So. Oh, patience on NVIDIA so far, doing well. We need to continue down 173.80 below. That's the whole ribbon there. And then we got 173.42 low of day. Obviously, we want to watch out for a double bottom there or something, some type of consolidation pattern. This is only a 1 minute setup, so let's see what we get. Definitely more downside is most over the next couple months. PT on 8, EMT to the downside. Got you. What are you looking at? Joe, I am cold as hell right now. 98.44. 98.44 coming in hot. Damn, we're hitting the dumpo. Rivian has a 5-minute bear flag, and I am going to trade it with a weekly contract to the downside to hopefully sweeten the deal. I'm going to get a $27 put, and I'm grabbing it now this week. And I'm in. PT right now for this Rivian put is going to be around $27 even and possibly $26.60. This is a hedge. If you're not in Rivian with me, then this may not be of interest to you. So, NVIDIA, I want to congratulate everybody in here who is in NVIDIA with me. I did cut the Rivian calls. I said that yes, I did cut those Rivian calls. Sorry if you missed that. I tried to. Okay, we could do that. But anyway, really good patience on NVIDIA. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna watch this low of day. Those who are in heavier positions can always just trim, or this is a good enough for you. Right now, I want to see a break of low of day, just like that, and a hold. So I need a hold underneath it. 173 would be preferable. The one thing that is worrisome, this top trend line, obviously there is the danger of some type of wedge setup, which could have us bouncing around 172.90. So I do get weary of those type of setups when there is an angle down, such as this one, which, of course, damn it, yeah, we don't want to do that. Stay down, stay down. So I guess in honor of good risk management, I'm gonna go ahead and take profit on just one of them. There we go. All right, so I just took profit on one, just because it is at that low and it is having a hard time breaking. So I'm reacting to the price action at the moment. This is a support, so you can expect a reversal or a bounce. But that was exactly why I just took a little bit of profit off the table right there. So. And one of the other reasons you can, you've got AMD also getting near that 98.44. So another leg down for NVIDIA could be around 172.80. Let's go look at the 5. What is the 5 telling me? Okay, rejection off of 9. Definitely a top trend here. That 100% is the top trend line. So we're going to be watching either channel down 172.50, and that'll be the second place to take profit, or we could see this wedge, which would be 172.80. Read and react. Let's see what we got here. Radley, in my Discord, I have some pretty good information for beginners. No problem. And listen, Rivian back to 27. I think so. I mean, based on what I see right now, yes. We are at a support level where we could bounce. I'm entering a little bit early here, but yes, below 27.50 and 27. I mean, yeah, yes, yes. Below 27.50. I have a $26.65 price target to the downside. So F Baba. Almost just typed that. Ooh, nice. Are you making money on that macro, Mike? Why do they call you that? Macroeconomics? What do you mean by that? Oh, does that say Mako? I just threw a word in there that wasn't there. Um, Alibaba has a ugly, looks like a Head and Shoulders right here. So if you can move below $88.90, yeah, I think that you will probably see some new lows. Yeah, Mako, like the body shop. Yeah, I just put macro like an idiot. So sorry about that. I have a tendency to just throw red letters. Hunt will tell you. Where's he at? Waiting for it. He's not on. I'm safe. Yeah, macro Mike. That's what I was thinking right there. All right, so there's the support right there. So maybe we'll see. Hold on, let's see what it does. Okay, yep, there it is. Look at the rising wedge, or look at the falling wedge. Possible. We have 38 seconds left. I'm thinking that we're gonna do a little reversal right here and retest 174. That is the third retest, so I'm gonna be on my toes right now about getting out of this play. I trust my analysis as far as and this is again a lower time frame. It's viewable on the 5, but we're gonna watch and see how this candle closes soon. Snee, great job. Good job, dude. Glad you made some money today, dude. 25% on NVIDIA. So we're still at a good spot. 27% on NVIDIA. I tell you what, above 174.75, this is likely to go and hit 174.25. There is a probability of bouncing and reversing from there, which would give us a retest of around 175. Your contracts can't hold through that. And so I'm going to go ahead and as this moves up, I'm going to go ahead and watch, make a decision if it moves above that 9. I got my contract up so I can be quick. And if it does not make a wedge, then I would like to see it fall to 172.50. 173.80 right here. Stay down, NVIDIA. Go down. Nope, doesn't want to go down. Run, brother, run. I'll be in stoic. Nice. Do it. Do it. Don't do that. Just do it. Okay, don't do that. Okay. Yeah, it's a bouncy thing. That's gonna bounce. I'm gonna. All right, sell. I'm out. Okay, it didn't sell. Never mind. I didn't get filled. Fuck. All right, it'll pull back down. Damn, I didn't get filled. All right, just cancel the order. All right. Fuck. I didn't get filled, so I'm just watching now. It just wicked back down. Hold on. Are you gonna do it? Okay. Wow. Thank you, broker. We might get away with this one. That was an accident, but uh, let's see. I just pulled the contract right back up. All right, I'll close it. Anybody still in? It's tough spot to trade in right now. Anybody still in? Anybody in Nvidia? Holy hell. Yo, that's right. I said this last night. Damn it. Yo, this has a head and shoulders right now. Um I may end up taking a long ass short position on Airbnb. It's too close to support to do it now, but I said that if it gets below 110, I will like take I think this goes to like 60. Like talk about a company that is overvalued right now. Like I personally believe that Airbnb is gonna find its way to $60, maybe just 75. 4K day and I'm out. Yo, let's go. Amazing. I have Rivian to the downside. I think I had size on that one. Who's having fun? You guys having fun? So much fun. It's probably learning a lot. This is a good learning experience for me too. You never stop learning, so next time we're in a high inflation area. 172, 173. I don't want to short Airbnb now, but I will go short one day soon. Had fun, sold your AMD put. All right. I see some not there's not a ton of people watching the stream, so that means probably people are hopping off, so Rivian's moving? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. See spot go. Watch spot below 104.88. And that one will likely drop to 104.26. That's not a lot of room for profit. Never mind. SPY is making another leg down. You know what I see in my mind when I say leg down? I see the lamp from that Christmas movie. I don't know why. Is anybody still in NVIDIA? Anybody still in NVIDIA? Please let me know right now. Christmas story. There it is. How could I forget? You're in NVIDIA put or AMD puts? Okay, same thing. All right, channel. Channel? Channel. 172.50. I can't believe Apple's still going. Yeah, what the hell? I love bear markets. We I think AMD might or Apple might bounce here. I got it in this channel. So look at the channel. This okay, it's there. It just hit my target. Whoa, let's go. Damn. Have you ever had Cosmic Crisp apples? Send me some, dude. That sounds delicious. Are you talking about like actual apples? Probably maybe in Oregon or Seattle. I went to an apple thing. My son eats about 3 apples a day, and technically, it has kept the doctor away. Yeah, the kid's pretty much he's a solid kid. They like Honey Crisp, and they know the difference, and it's absurd. I know Red Delicious tastes like shit, but like they know the difference between like Honey Crisp and like a Gala, and like I'm like you guys are bougie. Rivian Target, I mean $15, but today 26.70. Making money. They are a hybrid of Honeycrisp. That's lit. Honeycrisp are superior apples. They are. All right. I feel like nobody else is in the video with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take profit right here. I guess. Yeah. Right. I'm out. If I guess if it falls further or market crash, um, we're at a key level. I got alert at 171.90. And when it gets there, we'll we'll take it short again. But wow, wow, wow! What a good day. My eyes are like I feel like I haven't blinked in like an hour. My eyes are pretty dry. Oh, look at the bounce! Yuck. Let's go. I'm out. Tesla dumpy dump. I don't know. I feel like we might have a little pause. Yeah, that was right after 12 that I just took profit. Oh my god, dude, there's so much. I'm about to wire in another 30K. Might trade on a 60K account. Let's go. I'm just kidding. That's terrible. Tesla 720. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. Damn. Meltdown. Sorry, that was a crazy impulse move. Thank you for doing the video. Nice. Glad you caught it. Yeah, if you guys have any games, make sure if you want to. You don't have to. Of course, don't feel pressured to do it. But if you feel like sharing, the games page is always available. It's kind of a selfish thing. I think I'm the only, I every day after like that shit gets me so amped. Especially when you see people going on streaks, it's pretty nice. Marlon, Dave KY, been doing really well. So there's been a lot of people doing great. Young Money, Jimmy. I don't even know, dude. Have you had? When's the last time? Are you on right now? You've been in a, you've crushed it. There's too many people to name. When is Tesla gonna go up again? Well, technically you're at a 720, 721. You're near that support. You're close enough. I'm gonna go take a break. I can tell right now, just looking at it, that we are losing volume. So you're gonna lose me. With that, it means algos are about to step up, and that means that your contracts are about to get whacked. Do watch for a retest on the video 175. I'm gonna set alerts on pretty much everything. But if you did catch something today, I will say my execution on Microsoft was okay because I will say that the reversals and volume came in on that. So I reacted accordingly. I could have been a little bit more, I'll use the word stoic in that one as well, as far as the fact that I wasn't down at all. I could have taken a little bit more of an L on that and held through, but it's okay. Came back, take a short, and really, y'all, I'm super proud of y'all's patience, those who did hold with NVIDIA on that bounce with me. That is what we talk about for retest, and that's what we talk about, how we make money by reacting to the market. And no time during that bounce did yes, once I shut down the stream, I'll look at some stocks, look at that stock really quick. But you know, that shows really good patience. So you're mad good at calling Rivian. Thanks, man. That upside play. Oh yeah, we did play that upside. I forgot it. Damn. Got memory issues today. Yeah, we did. We played it up and we played it down. I cut it. I cut the call, but it's money, dude. Put it on a cracker. The first accent was good. Best one's the last one's bad. Tesla 745. I'm done trading for now. I'll come back power hour. We'll smoke it again. But I'm gonna go take a breather. I'm gonna go clean my house. Tonight, if you guys don't recall, we're doing some charting exercises. So remember, go take a shot. Nah, man, I'll be a mess. There's gonna be no class tonight if I drink. I got my I can't do anything on Friday, so you know. Let's all show up drunk. It's not going to end up being educational at all. Probably going to end up showing you guys my kitchen again. I don't know. All right, everybody. Good day. I hope you guys had a good day. NVIDIA Head and Shoulders. Maybe if we bounce, sure. But we would have to go all the way back up and retest 177.44, which would be poopy. I'd rather just see some consolidation here and then a dump. But to go make another shoulder would be the worst. You know what I mean? I'd rather just go retest. But good exit. In fact, that was a flawless exit on the video. Even if it goes down again, if you guys see that bounce, that was an incredible exit there. So, oh, okay, weird.
How many people here are drunk besides Julian? That is so awesome. And dope, God doesn't give a shit if you smoke dope. You're in church, so you can't lie. How many people here are stoned right now? Come on, how many people here are stoned right now? That's what I thought. Like, that's Christmas. None of this presents and lights and stress and shit. Just getting drunk and stoned with your friends, family, people that you love.
Those beat intros are those are the Discord. I'm gonna leave the stream up, but I'll see you guys at Power Hour or right around there. Peace. All right, YouTube, I'm out. What chat do you use? YouTube, Discord, TikTok, YouTube, or Discord. All right, peace, guys.